Mahakumbh Mela 2025 has been a significant event, drawing immense attention due to its scale and the cultural, spiritual, and economic impacts it has had. Here's the latest on the record attendance and notable high-profile visits. Record attendance. The Mahakumbh Mela, held in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, from 13th January to 26th February 2025, has seen an unprecedented number of attendees. Estimates suggest that over 400 million people, 40 crore, are expected to visit during the festival's duration, making it one of the largest gatherings in human history. On the first day of the event, more than 1.6 crore, 16 million, devotees took the holy dip in the Sangam, the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers. This number escalated to approximately 3.5 crore, 35 million, for the first Amrit Snan on Makar Sankranti. By 16th January 2025, the total number of pilgrims taking a dip in the sacred waters had crossed 7 crore, 70 million, with around 30 lakh, 3 million, devotees bathing on that day alone. High-profile visits. The event has attracted international attention with high-profile visitors. Laureen Powell Jobs, the widow of Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, was present, having been renamed Kamala for the occasion, showcasing the global interest in the spiritual gathering. Other notable figures include international devotees from countries like Spain, Japan, Russia, and the United States, adding a multicultural dimension to the event. Various dignitaries and spiritual leaders from across India, including Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, have been involved in the proceedings, with the event also drawing comments from political figures praising its organization and cultural significance. Economic and cultural impact. The Mahakumbh Mela is anticipated to generate economic activity worth approximately $25 billion to $30 billion, significantly impacting the local economy, particularly in sectors like tourism, hospitality, and trade. Culturally, the event has been a platform for showcasing India's rich heritage, with performances, traditional practices, and the gathering of various sects and religious scholars. Infrastructure and management. To handle the massive influx of pilgrims, extensive preparations were made, including the installation of over 150,000 toilets, 4,000 hectares of Mela area, and advanced security measures like AI-enabled cameras and underwater drones. The event has also been marked as a digital Kumbh, with initiatives like digital attendance for police personnel, showcasing a blend of tradition with modern technology. This Mahakumbh Mela not only signifies a spiritual assembly but also highlights the logistical and cultural capabilities of managing such a colossal human congregation with a mix of traditional ethos and modern management techniques.